Did you know that by the time you're 80, your body may have already lost over 50% of the muscle it had in your younger years? This isn't just aging. This is sarcopenia, a silent condition that's robbing millions of seniors of their strength, independence, and vitality every year. But what if we told you there are people in their 70s and 80s who have the strength, energy, and agility of someone half their age? You're about to discover how to reverse muscle loss, boost energy, and stay active, naturally. These aren't fads or quick fixes. They're science-backed strategies that doctors rarely talk about. If you're over 60 or care about someone who is, stay with us. Let's dive into the powerful habits, routines, and nutritional changes that have helped the world's strongest seniors stay independent for decades longer than their peers. Chapter 1. Understanding Sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is more than just muscle loss. It's muscle death. It affects over 50 million seniors worldwide and is the #1 reason why so many end up in nursing homes. When your muscles weaken, everything suffers: balance, energy, metabolism, even brain health. But here's the kicker: muscle loss is not inevitable. According to research from the Journal of Physiology, some 70-year-olds have the physical capacity of 40-year-olds. Because they train differently, eat smarter, and recover intentionally. Studies from the National Institute on Aging show that consistent resistance training can increase muscle strength by as much as 200% in older adults. This means you're not just preventing loss, you're building strength that can redefine how you live. Sarcopenia starts subtly: difficulty getting up from chairs, a slower walk, or feeling unusually tired after light chores. Over time it snowballs. But here's the truth: your muscles are dying for movement. And with the right approach they can come back to life. Chapter 2. Hormetic Stress. What doesn't kill you? Meet the super-agers. These are men and women who climb mountains, play sports, and live independently well into their 90s. One shared secret? They embrace hormetic stress, controlled stress that strengthens your body. Here's how. Cold exposure. Ending your showers with 30 seconds of cold water activates brown fat and protects muscles. Heat exposure. Sauna users have 40% less muscle loss. Heat shock proteins help repair muscle damage. Fasting. Eating within an 8-10 hour window improves muscle quality by triggering autophagy, cellular cleanup. Overcoming isometrics. Pushing or pulling immovable objects for 5 to 10 seconds builds powerful muscles without joint strain. Buck Institute research reveals that just 3 days a week of short, mild hormetic stress can activate longevity genes like FOXO3 and SIRT1. These genes protect muscle cells, stimulate regeneration, and boost mitochondrial function. Even 5-minute daily cold showers, 15-minute weekly sauna sessions, and an 8-hour eating window can yield significant changes in body composition and muscle retention over a 12-week period. Super-agers also vary their environments. Light fasting in the morning, exposure to sunlight in the afternoon, and movement challenges in the evening. Their day is a symphony of gentle stressors that build long-lasting resilience. Chapter 3. Protein Timing Distribution. It's not just how much protein you eat, it's when you eat it. Older adults often eat most of their protein at dinner, missing critical anabolic windows throughout the day. Super-agers consume 25 to 30 grams of high-quality protein every meal. Breakfast: Greek yogurt plus eggs. Lunch: chicken breast plus beans. Dinner: salmon plus lentils. This simple shift boosts muscle protein synthesis by 25%. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition demonstrated that spacing out protein evenly across 3 meals daily leads to 30% better muscle maintenance in seniors over 12 weeks, compared to those who eat the same total protein at 1 meal. Add leucine-rich foods like whey protein, eggs, and legumes to every meal. Leucine is an amino acid that triggers muscle growth like a switch. Chapter 4. The Vitamin D-K2 Alliance. Vitamin D isn't just a bone vitamin. It activates genes responsible for muscle repair and strength. But over 80% of seniors are deficient. Aim for 2,000 to 4,000 IU/day. Combine with K2 to prevent artery calcification. Best sources: sunlight, fatty fish, egg yolks, fortified foods. A Harvard study found that seniors with sufficient vitamin D had 25% more muscle strength and 40% better balance. That's the difference between walking with confidence or falling dangerously. But there's a catch. Without vitamin K2, high doses of D3 can cause calcium buildup in arteries. Super-agers prioritize fermented foods, like natto, cheese, and kefir, or take K2MK7 alongside their D3. Chapter 5. Fighting Inflammaging with Food Lifestyle. Chronic inflammation accelerates muscle breakdown. It's called inflammaging, and it affects everything from your gut to your joints to your brain. Super-agers combat this with quality sleep, 8 hours in darkness. Gut health, 30 plus plant foods/weak fermented foods. Moderate exercise, daily movement with short intense bursts. Anti-inflammatory foods, omega-3s, turmeric, green tea, olive oil. They also minimize inflammatory foods, refined sugar, processed grains, fried oils. Instead, they eat colorfully, berries, leafy greens, fatty fish, herbs, cruciferous vegetables. Inflammaging is also tied to stress. Super-agers practice gratitude journaling, mindful walks, and 5-minute daily meditations. Lower cortisol equals better muscle repair. Chapter 6. Micronutrients that matter. Protein needs co-pilots, key micronutrients like magnesium, dark chocolate, spinach. Creatine, 3-5g/day for strength plus cognition. Methylated B12, for energy plus nerve function. Zinc, selenium, chromium, for muscle recovery plus insulin function. Testing your micronutrient levels can be life-changing. Magnesium activates over 300 biochemical reactions. A mild deficiency can reduce strength, impair sleep, and worsen insulin resistance. Creatine isn't just for athletes. McMaster University found that seniors taking 5g/day for 12 weeks gained 2 pounds of muscle and improved memory scores. Methylated B12 protects nerves, helps your body use protein, and boosts energy. Many seniors don't absorb B12 from food, especially if they take acid blockers. Chapter 7. Neuromuscular connection, brain-muscle loop. Your brain must communicate with your muscles. When neuromuscular junctions weaken, you lose strength fast. Super-agers strengthen them by coordination activities, dancing, tai chi, ping pong. Brain exercises, puzzles, learning new skills. Breathing techniques, box breathing stimulates muscle control. Supplements, alpha-lipoic acid, acetyl-L-carnitine, B1 derivatives. Even 5 minutes of balance-focused movement, like standing on one leg with eyes closed, strengthens neural pathways. Tai chi improves both memory and motor control. Ping pong enhances hand-eye coordination. Super-agers make their workouts mentally stimulating. Studies show cognitive training, like chess or Sudoku, improves muscle recruitment by 20%. Your mind drives your muscles. Chapter 8. Resistance training, the super drug. Resistance training isn't dangerous for seniors, it's life-saving. Super-agers. Train to muscle failure, 2x/week. Use compound movements, squats, rows, pushes. Focus on eccentric, slow-lowering reps. Track progress and increase intensity over time. A 12-week program can add 3.3 pounds of muscle and boost strength by 35%. Progressive overload, adding just a bit more weight or reps over time, signals your body to grow stronger. Super-agers use resistance bands, body weight, and light dumbbells. What matters isn't the equipment but effort and consistency. They don't train for hours. 2 30-minute sessions per week with proper form is all it takes. Final word. Aging isn't the enemy, inaction is. These 7 habits don't just preserve muscle, they preserve independence, dignity, and joy. Start with 1. Build momentum. You're not too late. You're right on time. White heavy checkmark like this video if you found value. Speech balloon comment below. Which habit are you starting today? Pushpin subscribe to our channel for weekly insights that will help you stay strong, sharp, and independent. Stay young, stay powerful, stay with us.